What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? Well, we're going to continue on with installing this mini split. Going to do a little power washing and see if I can get the bracket to put the outside unit out on the wall. So let's take a look. Well, today I'm going to see if I can power wash some of that green gunk off. Take a look. See, I'll climb up there and get the power washer going and all that stuff. Got to get the power washer up there, the hose up there, electric cord up there, and then I'm going to see if I can put some expansion boards, not expansion boards, shim boards to mount that bracket on. I tossed the rope over the edge. I'm going to tie my hose and extension cord and pull it up there for the power washer. And yeah, I got to paint to where I'm going to, on the other side, I'm going to put two shim boards like right there. But it's too cold to paint today, so even if I get it power washed, can't paint. It's only like 42 degrees a day, so I'm going to have to wait for it to dry and get a little warmer for the paint. Let's pull these cords and everything. There we go. Got all the green gunk off the paint there. So now when I go to paint, all that'll be gone. I'll mount those boards for the bracket. There we go. So there's shim boards, so when I put the metal bracket for the AC, I can run. It won't be all weird because it's got to come all the way to the ends. Whew. But yeah, there'll be bolts and everything really holding that stuff in there. At least that part's done. But this will all have to be painted before I can put it up. Slowly but surely, I'll knock it out one piece at a time. Well, it warmed up a little bit today, so I decided to go ahead and paint that section. And I'm going to mount the bracket and be done with this. Tired of climbing up and down. And my ankles can't take the pitch of this roof. It's getting rough. Alright, let's get this bracket on. There it is, one air conditioner bracket installed. Whew. That looks pretty good. I'll do the rest of the painting later, but at least behind the AC is painted. Now I gotta get the unit up here. That's gonna be a chore. Woo! At least that's done. Well, there you go. Got a little bit more done towards the HO scale train and slot car room. And the power washing was fun. I had a blast doing that. Hope you guys are enjoying the updates and behind the scenes for this room. All right, until next time, like, share, subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Hit that button. Happy out.